Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to another video on Bitcoin Cash, which I haven't covered for some time, but I know a lot of you are still interested in the price and checking out these videos. So I just wanted to give you a brief update on the current structure, my thoughts on it. As most of you know, I'm still short on Bitcoin Cash. I have an awful entry. Like down here at like 140 or something. Do I still think it will get back to those prices? Yes, but I did adjust my expectation that it will probably take a month or two at least. But because right now I do think we'll still have a little bit of a crash at some point of time, and I'll tell you why. And if you disagree with me on that, I would love to discuss it with you in the comments. I mean, I could be wrong, of course. I do expect that still, but right now it just seems like it will be a slow downtrend. Like we're actually holding, like we had a big bearish breakout last Friday. We also did not get that much bullish momentum during the whole XRP saga, so I think that's confirmation of my theory. But now we're at 250, that's a very strong support level, so that's still going to hold us up a bit. There's also a chance that we'll, in terms of market structure, still get up to like 280, 275. I do think the top is in. I don't think we're going higher than 330, but that's what we'll talk about a little bit in this video. So before we start, if you want to receive daily trading signals and become a better trader like me and have amazing short entries right here, it's a joke, then check out the links down in the description, and I promise you most signals are way better than this one, or than this trade. But all right, now onto Bitcoin Cash. So if we take a look at the overall market circumstances of Bitcoin Cash, volume is still high. All right, if you compare this volume with the volume we were at before all of this started, which is now almost a month ago, volume before that was almost never above 100 million. And right now, while it's at its lowest at the end of the weekend, it's still at $300 million. So we are actually there still is actually quite a lot of momentum in the price for BCH. But what we have seen is that we have done some sort of a reversal up here. Like the EMAs are no longer support, and right now what we're doing is we're breaking those EMAs and they're turning into resistance. Especially like we had some sort of a nice consolidation going on right here. Now that we broke down below that and we've actually respected resistance as well, the only thing that's between BCH and falling is this level right here at 250, which is a big psychological support level, and we have the 382 fib there. So that's just strong. That's not going to break easily. And that's also why I said if we actually get some sort of a liquidity grab from that area, we might be able to still break above like 260 and get up to these levels again around 280 and 275. But I do think that we have gone into some sort of a reversal and that now we are, at least on the short term, a little bit more bearish. So what I also expect, and apart from that, I think this initial move, like the main reason why I'm bullish is because I think this initial move was way too much, and I think it's manipulated, which is also confirmed by volume, like 200% rise, even with that exchange, that EDX exchange or something, and even with the narrative of all the cryptos becoming better because of all of those security things, this was too much. And given where the volume came from, I think it's fair to say that it was manipulated. So that's the whole fundamental reason why I expect BCH to be bearish. But I think technically it's also confirmed now. So even though we might still spike up at some point of time, I expect us to break through 240 and 250, have some sort of support at the 200 EMA at 230, but only to take a bearish break retest and then slowly drop down to 210 and 210. That would be my first price target. So that's what I expect on kind of the medium term. Short term, like I said, more consolidation with a potential spike up. But yeah, that's my take on BCH. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.